Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity and this one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 2s. This one we have 2 to the power of s, and number 2. And now when s approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity and this one will go to positive infinity, and we can use the second term. And this one we have number 1, and this one we have 2 to the power of s, and we have the second and number 2. And now when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by positive infinity, we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.